Welcome to the Mera Vote Weekly News Roundup. With days of election coming closer, battle for West Bengal gets pithier. 4 states and a union territory are going to witness a large electoral exercise this year. Ruling party in West Bengal, TMC, is caught between the saffron camp of BJP, which is trying to make inroads into Bengal polity, and the green horn like Indian Secular Front (ISF), which has been founded by the Pirzada of Sarfaraz Sharif. Shiv Sena leaders have stated that they would not contest the Bengal election, extending support to the CM and TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee. Sanjay Raut tweeted that the state election would be a battle between money, media, muscle of BJP versus the Mamata. To address the doubts about its non-appeasing secular credentials, TMC has given monetary benefits to Durga Puja committees, and it has been selecting leaders from across the communities. A problematic concern for TMC prior to the election has been the association between the newbie party ISF and the Left Congress Alliance, which had recently hosted a huge rally at the Brigade Ground, Kolkata. Association of ISF with the left and Congress can help them play with and salvage some non-BJP Hindu votes which were lost to TMC, which can be problematic for TMC and BJP. But this association can also turn out to be beneficial for BJP given the religious tone and background of the ISF founder Siddiqui, which can be used by the Saffron Party to play its own religious identity. TMC has got traction with the farmers, with Mamata extending full support to the farmers' protest to the chagrin of BJP. Farmer leaders have also stated that they would rally in states where BJP is contesting elections, urging people to vote against the Saffron camp. On March 7th, Modi's Brigade Ground rally saw a lukewarm response despite presence of Mithun Chakrabarti, who joined BJP. Ms. Banerjee also countered Modi's rally through her own marching rallies. On the occasion of International Women's Day, the women's wing of the Trinamool marched from College Square to Dorina Crossing in Dharmatala, with CM leading the charge. At a meeting at Dharmatala, the TMC Supremo ran her campaigning in Kolkata. In response to BJP's accusations about law and order in Bengal, Mamata brought up the situation in BJP-ruled states. She reminded that the girls and women in Bengal are way safer. Apart from this, in Nandigram, Suvendu Adhikari and Mamata are set for a face-off. Here, BJP in its election operations is using the former men of Harmad Bahini of CPM who had committed atrocities against the protesters in the Nandigram's land movement. People who have served jail terms and with cases are now in the BJP, which can cost them the seat. Navakumar Samanta, Ashish Mandal, Jehar Patra, Srihari Mandal, Balai Patra, Robin Mandal, Deepan Mandal are some of the former CPM men in the region who have joined BJP. All of them are accused and have pending cases against them, and some of them have already served jail sentences. Hence, BJP is indirectly insulting the Nandigram protesters by taking in the CPM men who were part of the Harmat Sena and had served jail terms. With all these developments and volleys of criticisms and counter-criticism exchanged between TMC and BJP, West Bengal is set to witness a high-pitched electoral battle from March end. That's it for today. Keep watching the space for more news updates and analysis.